Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And today we have with us again our student interns.
Hi, I'm Carlina.
And Miranda.
So what are we going to make today?
We are going to make sensory shakers.
Oh, nice.
Ooh,
Those look great.
yeah. So before we begin, we're going to do one of our breathing exercises. So today we're going to give ourselves a big bear hug. So we're going to breathe in and squeeze, and then relax and breathe out. And we're going to do that 2 times and give yourself a nice hug.
Yeah.
All right, breathe in. One more time, breathe in, give yourself a hug. And breathe out.
Thank you. I feel very relaxed.
All right.
So what materials are we going to need today?
A paper towel roll, a toilet paper roll, or a container with a lid, filling such as rice, beans, pasta, construction paper or aluminum foil, glue or tape, decorations such as cotton balls, stickers, ribbon, or tissue paper.
All right.
Yeah.
So what's the first step?
So the first step is you get your tube and you make sure you cover one side of it, either with like the tin foil or construction paper. You can use tape or glue to attach it, keep it on there. My sample, I used plastic wrap in case you want to see the stuff inside, just to see as you're shaking it. But yeah, so that's the first step.
Okay.
All right. So I used a container that has a bottom and a lid, so I didn't have to cover anything. It's an empty breadcrumb container.
So
I
that's,
love that idea.
and then what do we do next?
Okay, so when your bottom is filled, you can take anything that you're gonna fill inside of it. I have rice and pasta today, so you're just gonna pour it into the container.
Okay, I'm using rice.
I'm using like lentils and some pasta.
I used rice and some beans. It's already in there, but oh well, now some of it just fell out, but that's okay.
Right?
Perfect. And then using whatever you attached for the bottom, whether that was aluminum foil, construction paper, you're just gonna cover the top again. I'm just gonna put my construction paper over the top and then use some tape to seal it down.
All right.
When I hear mine.
Yeah. Perfect.
And then we cover the sides, right? I'm going to just roll this aluminum foil right around the tube. So my whole thing is going to be silver.
That's perfect.
Right. I covered my container with construction paper, and then I'm just going to glue some things on top. I think I'm going to start with some pom-poms.
And I just put construction paper very simply around mine with a little bit of tape. And now I can start decorating as well.
Me too.
I'm going to use some different ribbon that I have, some tissue paper and some yarn.
Yeah, well, you want to use, if you can, all stuff that has interesting textures to it. So I cut up part of a face mask, which is really soft. I'm going to use some pom-poms, and then I'm also going to use some of this raffia ribbon because it's really like crinkly.
I have cotton balls, and I also thought it's going to be so nice to look at my cool race car stickers. So any type of stickers can work as well.
Great.
Yeah. So
yeah.
here's my pom-poms.
Oh, those look nice, Peggy.
And then I'm going to do also some stickers that are bright, some star stickers. And I also have some pipe cleaners that I'm gonna put some beads on and wrap that or glue it around the container. So you could also like move the beads around.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah, that's great. Yeah. And then I also thought of like you could use bubble wrap or like part of a plastic bag and
Yeah,
whatnot. So those would be cool.
you really, anything goes, and it is fun to, you know, when they're done, to get the different textures. Like, here's mine so far. The ribbon is really like
Ooh,
scratchy. The mask is really soft. And I have pom-poms on there.
You put that together fast, Gal.
Yeah.
it can also be like a scavenger hunt around your house to see what different materials you can find.
That's what I did this morning when I picked these. I just looked at what would be kind of textury.
Oh, yeah, that's so fun just to kind of see what you have. And it could even be like things you wouldn't normally think about.
Exactly, because everything looks good. Oh, that's so cute. I have a quick joke I want to tell while you all are working on yours.
Okay.
Oops, look, it's unraveling. as we speak. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
There.
Boo.
Ooh,
What was it?
It was boo.
Boo.
Oh,
Oh,
boo-hoo.
don't cry. This is such a fun craft.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
got you.
Yep.
Can I tell a real quick one? Because that reminded me of one.
Yeah. Yes, you can, Peggy.
Okay. Did you hear the joke about the jump rope? Skip it.
That's so good. Thank
That
you.
was, yeah, I like that.
So we can all finish these later, but let's hold up what we all have so far. They look really good. Nice.
That was fun. I really like this.
Me too. Thanks for coming. And if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Bye.
Okay.